So hi guys, welcome back to PuffGirl Nylia channel. So today we're getting ready for Halloween. So right now what I'm doing is I'm doing PuffGirl Nylia hair. I'm making 2 ponytails for her Jessie Toy Story 4 costume. So as here you can see me doing a middle part. So next you see me parting out her hair just so I can figure out the right place to put her ponytail. So you don't have to include this step, but this is what I do just to get the perfect ponytail for her. And when I'm done with the small ponytail where I'm placing her ponytail at, you'll just brush the hair that's surrounding that ponytail up into the ponytail. Hopefully I make sense to you guys.
Why?
So right here, you see me putting gel around the perimeter of her ponytail just to make sure her edges are smooth and get a nice and neat ponytail. Now you see me right here, I'm just adding that extra hair up into the ponytail I already had made and just making sure her edges is smoothed out. And you're just gonna put a rub band around it and make it into a little puff ball. And I'm gonna do the other side the same way. And then right here, you see me just adding a couple baby hairs to her ponytail just to give it a nice and neater look. And then when I'm done, I'm just going to tie a scarf around her head.
Character. Why?
Okay, you guys, this is where the magic happened. I did use, I think this hair was 99-cent braiding hair. So synthetic hair. And hopefully you guys seen the way I did put the ponytail on. And you're just gonna put a rub band around it to make that little puff right there. That's how I got the little puff in her hair. And you do want to make sure everything is covered. Her whole puff ball of her real hair is covered with the fake hair. And then I'm just gonna rubber band it.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture.
did cut the hair once I got it to the length that I wanted. And then with the piece that you cut, you're going to put a rubber band on it, as you see in the video. And then I'm going to place it in her hair like I did the other side. But you can always use 2 packs of hair if you want it to be the same size. I only had this 1 pack, so I just made it work. And you're going to see me rub bend that in to her puff ball. And when you put the hair over that, you want to make sure everything is covered between her real hair and that little fake piece of cut hair.
So then, why? It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described.
Look at me in my costume.
Can y'all put your costume on?
They cannot.
Oh, they already told y'all? Oh, he is cute. Girl, hold on, let me take a picture. That was like no costume. Wait a minute.
Come on. Can't
Everybody tell me nothing.
You